Hi guys, this is Gopi. Welcome to my channel Get Fit with Gopi. Based on one of our viewers' request, Prashanti, I have given 7 exercises to reduce the overall body fat and stay in a good body shape. Let's get started. Before starting the exercise, we are going to do the core activation through vacuum exercise. If we activate our core, we can able to easily do the workout and we can double the benefits of the exercise we are going to do. Let's get started. If you already know your warm-up routine, you can do it. Else, you can follow the warm-up routine here. The first exercise which you are going to say is rhomboids pull. This exercise will strengthen your upper back muscles and will help to reduce your back fat. The starting position of the exercise is to stand in normally and keep your elbows up to the shoulder level. Relax your shoulders and pull your elbows towards your back. Squeeze your back while breathing out and breathe in normally while coming back to the starting position. You can do 15 repetitions per set and you can do up to 2 sets. This is the back view of the exercise and you can see how the rhomboid muscles are getting worked when you are pulling the elbows together. The next exercise which you are going to see is called swing back. This exercise strengthens our lower back muscles and will also help to reduce your back fat. The starting position of the exercise is to lie down opposite and try to get up and touch your hamstring muscle, that is the back of your thighs. Try to get up as much as possible so that you can feel your lower back muscles are compressed and you can feel the tension there. You can do 15 repetitions per set and you can do up to 2 sets. When you are doing this exercise, just make sure you are not just lifting your head only up and touching your hamstring. Also, don't touch the side of your hamstrings. Make sure you are properly getting up, touching your hamstrings. The next exercise which we are going to see is high knee jacks. This exercise focuses on reducing our lower abdomen fat, strengthen our lower abdomen as well as strengthen our quadricep muscles. The starting position of this exercise is to stand normally and lift your hands above your head. Breathe out and lift your leg upwards. Try to clap your hands under the lifted leg and make sure you are not bending your body while lifting your leg. If you pull your abdomen towards your spine, you can able to lift it easily and relaxedly. If your leg is not coming up to that height, no need to push it. You can lift it up to whatever level you can able to lift. But make sure you are not bending your body while lifting it. Every time when you lift up your leg, breathe out and pull your abdomen towards your spine so that you can able to pull your leg upwards easily and relaxedly. If you are not crunching your body, you can able to feel the tension in your lower abdomen. The next exercise which we are going to see is toe touches. This exercise helps to reduce the abdomen fat and it will strengthen our overall abdomen. The starting position of this exercise is to stand normally and lift your hands above your head. Breathe out and lift your leg. Try to touch your toe with your alternate hand. While lifting, if you breathe out and pull your abdomen towards your spine, your legs will come easily and you can able to touch it without crunching your upper body. If the leg is not coming up to abdomen height, you can lift it as much as you can, but make sure you are not crunching your upper body. But try to reach your toes. If your back is straight, you can able to feel the tension in your abdomen. If you crunch, you will feel the tension around your chest area and lower back. You can also take wall support to do this exercise if you need. The next exercise which we are going to see is called step back jacks. This develops our hamstring and glute strength. The starting position of this exercise is to stand straight. Lift our arm upwards up to a shoulder level, and while lifting it, place your one leg backwards. Come back to the starting position when you put your hands down. Try to reach your leg to cover more distance when placing backwards, and you can able to feel your hamstring. If you place your leg near you, you won't feel your hamstring muscle, but while keeping behind, make sure you are not losing your balance. The next exercise which we are going to do is called half burpees. This exercise will give work to both our arms and legs. The starting position of this exercise is to stand straight. Lift your hands above your head and bend to touch the ground. Once you place both hands on the ground, place your legs backwards one by one and come to a push-up position. From there, come to the starting position by bringing legs one by one back and stand straight. If you want to increase the intensity, try to do it a little faster and your overall body will be worked out. You can do 15 repetitions for a set and you can do up to 2 sets. The next exercise which we are going to do is called thigh lifts. This exercise focuses on reducing your inner thigh fat. The starting position of this exercise is to lie down in a comfortable side position and bend your legs. Extend the leg which is on the top. Try to lift it to a maximum height without bending your knees. Also, keep your toes straight as well. When you are doing the 10th rep, you can able to feel the tension in your inner thighs. After lifting, drop your leg slowly and come to the starting position. You can do 15 reps on each leg for one set and you can do up to 2 sets. While lifting your leg, make sure you are not bending your knees. If you are feeling any soreness or tightness in your muscles, gently massage the place and try to bath in a hot water so that your body will be relaxed. And that's all, guys. Please feel free to try these workouts and let us know how you felt it.